Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today I have my Ipsy to share with you guys. I have both my Glam Bag Plus as well as my Ipsy, the regular bag. So I have not unboxed these or anything, or unbagged these, I guess. So I have no idea what's inside of here. I know you can actually go online and like take sneak peeks and everything. I don't like to do that though, because I feel like that kind of ruins the fun, because these to me are more for like, it's like a prize. You get a prize in the mail and you're like, what's in the box? So I'm very excited to see everything inside of here. So let's start with the smaller one. So let's go ahead and peel this open. I was going to use my handy dandy oh, yep, I am going to use my handy dandy cutter. My handy dandy notebook. All right, so inside of here we have our little bag. So this looks very summer-like. Actually, this teal color kind of matches my nail polish. I really like the bag. It's kind of like a canvas style. It even has the little leaf as far as the zipper. So let's see what we have here. Inside of the bag is just like orange, and it's kind of like silky, but it's not silk. So you know what I mean? So that's kind of fabric, and it does have pricing. So we have pricing here as well. So the first thing I see in here is from First Aid Beauty. So this is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I have had these before. I absolutely love them. But if you're looking for something that is basically a dupe, in my opinion, try the Rock Daily Resurfacing Pads. Those are fantastic. So this is like a deluxe sample size. If you purchase the full size, you get 60 of them for $36. But like I said, if you go to Ulta and you look at the Rock ones, they have those usually like buy one, get one half off, or buy one, get one free, maybe. I'm not sure if they do free. But either way, they're a lot more affordable, and you can always cut them in half, because you don't technically need a whole facial pad when you're using the Rock ones, because the Rock ones are huge. So you can cut those in half and like double your amount. So those are fantastic. So if you're looking for something that's comparable, in my opinion, I'd say it's a dupe. In my opinion, it's a dupe. So these are really nice though to have. So I will definitely get use out of those. The next thing in here is from, ooh, I just dropped something out of the bag. Ooh, that's from Tatcha. I just saw something from Tatcha. That's like pinky out, man. So this is from Pacifica. This is the Cherry Gold Highlighter and Blush. Ooh, I haven't tried Pacifica makeup in a while. I guess I have. Maybe I have. I don't know. Oh, wow. This is really nice. On the back of it, it has a mirror, so you can actually use that when you're applying your makeup. That's really inventive. So, and then it still has the clear top, which makes it nice, because then you can kind of like stick this in your vanity and see what color is in here. But yet it still has a mirror. That was really, really smart. So here are the two colors here. We have, this is the Cherry palette, and I don't know if it tells me the shades, Rose Gold and Cherry Spirits. So those are the two shades that are in this palette. So let's swatch them. So the Cherry Spirits is really nice, and then Rose Gold is right here. So here is Rose Gold and here is Cherry Spirits. So there's what both of them look like. And obviously these are like cheap products, so they wouldn't go on quite as bold as what these look, because I'm finger swatching those. So a finger swatch is definitely a lot more bold than you would be with a brush. You could diffuse it out a lot better. But this looks really promising, so I'm very excited about that as well. This is a deluxe sample. I don't know how this is a deluxe sample, because this definitely looks full size, but it says the full size is $17.99. I feel like that has to be full size, because there's no way that's a deluxe sample. The next thing is from Oryza. So this is, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's Oryza. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how you actually pronounce it. Let's find our handy dandy cutter again. Maybe. Nope, we don't need it. Okay, so I got it open. So this is Oryza Beauty Nude Shimmer and Contour Eyeshadow. So these are just some basic nudes. So you have a matte, and then you have 3 shimmers here. So they look really pretty. It doesn't look like anything like outside of the box and what we've typically seen in like those nude eyeshadow palettes. So it looks nice. Let's kind of give them a swatch. Let's swatch the matte one, and then all of the shimmers. They feel very smooth. Oh my gosh, this last one here looks really, really nice. So here's the matte, and then the shimmers. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. Okay, that looks really pretty. I think it could be promising. It looks like it would be a great for like an everyday palette. Like if you're looking for something to use on the daily, this looks like it's going to be perfect for that. And the size is great that you can kind of throw it into your purse if you need to touch up your eyeshadow as you're out and about. So that would be great for that. And this is full size. This is full size, but this is deluxe size. Does that make any sense? I don't think so. So this is full size and it says this is $20. So I don't know. I'm a little confused. And then let's see, the next thing in here is from Veriphy or Verify. Maybe it's Verify. It's spelled Veriphy. I think it's Verify. Verify 2020. This is the phytoglycan and peptide eye cream. I am always on the hunt for a good eye cream, so I am definitely willing to test this out to see if it works well. It says this is a deluxe sample. The full size is $60.38. So I am very excited about this. What does it say about this? I like to read when you give you skincare to kind of like see what it says about it, just because I'm not familiar with this one especially. It says, give your delicate eye area the TLC it deserves with this do-it-all eye cream. The magic inside the bottle is a depuffing cucumber extract, brightening niacinamide, firming peptides, and photoglycans. Not sure what that means. That boosts collagen production and hydration levels. This eye cream doubles as the perfect primer for super smooth under eye makeup application. Oh, okay. So I'm actually really excited about trying that as well. And the last thing, like I said, kind of rolled out. This is from Tatcha. This is the Tatcha water cream. I have tried this before. I feel like it's very good if you have like normal to maybe oily skin. But me with my dry skin, it's not the greatest, I'll be honest. It says oily skin needs hydration too. Without it becomes dull and can even end up producing more oil. That's where this luxurious lightweight cream comes in. Think of it as a tall glass of water. It's packed with nutrient-rich botanicals that specifically designed to hydrate oily, congested, prone skin. The full size is $68. I'm going to put this to the side for like a future giveaway because I know it's not going to be beneficial for me to use that because my skin is entirely too dry to get any benefits from that. But all in all, I feel like for $12, we definitely got our money's worth. I am excited about the eye cream. I really like this little Pacifica palette. The Oryza is really cute. And then we have some First Aid beauty pads. So these are the things I'm keeping. And then this I'll be like putting to the side for a future giveaway. But so far, we're looking pretty good. Ipsy's doing pretty good so far. So let's see what they can do in the bigger bag here. So let's toss the little one to the side and we'll pick up the bigger bag now. And we'll cut this one open with my handy dandy cutter. Oh my gosh. Oh, I almost cut the bag. So our bags are, of course, identical. You know, they typically give you like a big bag and a smaller bag that are very matchy-matchy. So this one is like a drawstring style. And then the first thing I see in here is from Beau, Gâchis. I'm not sure how you pronounce this. Is there a card in here? Yes. Does the card have information? It does not. So I may have to go get my phone. Let me go get my phone and so I can kind of like see some information about these because I'd like to tell you guys anything that I can find out about them at least. Okay, so I found my phone and I'm pulling up the information right now. So these are Beau Gâchis. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it or not, but these are a collection of 5 brushes. They are eye brushes. I always love getting eye brushes because eye brushes are, I hate washing brushes, I'll be honest. It's like the worst job ever. So we have a lot of like fluffier brushes here, and then we have one that's like a brow brush. They feel really nice. They feel very soft and they have a little bit of give to them. So I'm excited about trying them. I like the ferrules as well. The handles, is that what it's called? The handles. The handles look really nice. It says the set is, I was going to say $50. No, it's 5 of them for $30. So it says, consider the set the essential tool in your makeup bag. It includes an illuminator brush for highlighting and contouring. What? So they're saying that's an illuminator brush. Okay. A crease brush for shading your lids. So let's see, crease brush. Which one are they saying is a crease brush? They're saying this one is the crease brush. Hopefully you can see the tip and everything to it. And then they're saying that we have a concealer brush for spot treatment. So that's this one. That's like your flat shading brush, right? That style. And then it says we have a double-ended brow brush right here. And then a tapered blending brush for your eyes and face. So they're saying these are for your face. I do not see how you would use these for your face. I mean, I guess you could. Like if you're doing some intense contouring, you could do that for sure. Okay, interesting. The next thing in here is from KVOSS. Let's see, is that the brand? Let's see, let's go back so I can find out information about this because you can't just like grab one thing and then look at everything. You gotta like KVOSSNYC. So This is a Hey Highlighter Luminous Highlighter Palette. The value is $36. So I have never heard of this brand before though, I'll be honest. So we have a palette. It's kind of dusty, but that's okay. And then here are what the highlighters look like. I'm probably going to pass this along because I've got tons of highlighters that I don't really need any more highlighters, especially not when I don't barely use them. And you're never going to use a full pan of highlighter. So I'm not going to play with this too much. I'm just going to put it back in the box and pass it along into a future giveaway. It says this trio of silky powder highlighters, there's a shimmery ivory, a pearly pink, and a warm gold. So this brand is a healthy beauty lover's dream. All KVOSSNYC products are completely free of GMOs, toxins, fillers, and synthetic chemicals. So it's a good brand, it sounds like. So I'm going to put that to the side for a future giveaway. The next thing in here is from Naked Cosmetics. Now I am very excited about this because I do love the Naked stacks. I have quite a few of the Naked stacks, which are just like some like loose shadows. They're fantastic. So let's see what it says about this. We have the Naked Cosmetics. This is the special edition 4-piece pigment collection. All right, I am super excited. Let's see what they look like. Oh my gosh, I can't get them out of the box. Well, let me see if I can open both ends here to push it out. All right, there we go. So we have our, this is kind of like what I mean by a stack. So you get a stack of shadows. This is like a Naked stack. And we have, let's see what it says. These are $39.99 and you get 4 different shades here. These finely milled loose pigments are made with pure mica, no filler ingredients, so they're easy to tap and blend into your eyelids. A lot of people don't like mica though, so just be careful. If you're somebody you don't like mica, then you're not gonna like these whatsoever. But we have 4 different colors here. We have like a golden shade. I'm not gonna open these because they are extremely messy, so I'm gonna try to show them to you through the packaging. Then we have like this purpley color. Is that purple or is that gray? I don't know. It's like a duochrome almost. Then we have like a gold shade, that one. And then we have a lighter gold shade. So there's the 4 different shades that we have. So I'm very excited about it actually. So it says we have Sierra Nevada, which is the champagne, which is this one. Sierra Nevada. And then we have Sierra Nevada number 4, which is a deep pewter. So that's this one I would assume. Yep. And then we have Sierra Nevada number 5, which is a chocolate brown. Is that? Nope, this is the 4 and this is the 5. So, okay, either way. And then we have Naturally Nude, a bright gold. So that's this one. That's the bright gold. So I am very excited about that as well. I do love Naked stacks. Like I said, I have used them before and I have had very good luck using them on my eyelids. So now we're on to something from Ofra. So this is Ofra Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Pink Panther. Oh, okay. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know the Pink Panther song anymore. It's been so long since I've seen it or heard it. All right, so here's what Pink Panther looks like. I'll swatch this for you guys so you can see it, what a swatch looks like. I was hoping it would smell good, but I don't really smell anything. It's just basically a nude gloss. There's not much color to it whatsoever. So if you're looking for just something like a nude gloss, this will be great. Oh, that's actually really nice. Okay, I'm liking that. And this is, let's see, how much is this? I think these are like, oh no, $15. I was thinking 20 for some reason. These are $15. It says that this sheer pale pink lip gloss is as gorgeous and as healthy for your lips. It's packed with antioxidants, jojoba oil to deeply nourish and condition and hydrate your lips. So very excited about that. And then looks like the last thing in here is from Beau Lash. This is the Essential Serum, a 3-month supply. I'll take me some nice lashes. I do not have nice lashes, so I will definitely get some use out of this for sure. Let's see what it says about the Beau Lash Serum. I don't think I've ever tried this one before. I've tried a couple other serums for lashes and stuff, and some of them have been okay, but some of them not so good. This one's $65, so it's pretty expensive. It says longer, fuller looking lashes without piling on the mascara. Sign us up. The serum is packed with nutrients to enhance and link the volume of your natural lashes. P.S. It can be used on your brows to make them look fuller too. I will definitely be doing that. I just got a set in my, I think it was my Allure box. Was it Allure or Glossy box? I can't remember. But I got a set in there and it was like 2 little deluxe size samples. And that was for brows and lashes as well. But this one's a full size. I'm not going to crack it open yet just because I do want to save it for when I'm ready for it. So I'm very excited about that. So this was $65. This box here is what, 35? I think this one's 35. I'll be honest with you, I don't remember. It's either 35 or 25. I think it's 25. It's 25. Pretty sure. Anyway, so I think it's worth it for me alone, just getting the lash serum, because I'm always looking for something to make my lashes look longer and fuller because I don't have very well lashes. I have like, what is it that, what's her name always says? Oh my gosh, what's her name? I think of garbage is what I think of when I think of her. Teresa is dead because she always says she's garbage. She's not garbage. She is fantastic. But anyway, she always says Angelica, not Angelica, but Angelica's doll. Anyway, that's my eyelashes. Cynthia eyelashes. That's mine for sure. But anyway, that is everything in these 2 little bags. So I would love to know if you guys get Ipsy as well. What did you think of your bag? Or do you not get it? Is there a reason why I should cancel mine? Do you think that it's kind of going downhill? Do you think Ipsy's going downhill since it partnered up with BoxyCharm? I'd love to know your thoughts, your opinions. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later.